Hi, boys and girls. Today's Monday, May 18th, and we're going to start a new math lesson today. The lesson we're going to do today has a learning target right here. It says, I can use the place value chart to record and name tens and ones within a 2-digit number up to 100. So here we are right here with this number 47, right? That's how we would read that. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the number bond. If the number bond indicates 47, we need to think of this number in terms of tens and ones. So if you look right here, you'll see the tens and the ones, right? So when you look at this and break it up into a number bond, you're going to put your tens in this box, right? And then your ones over here, okay? Now, if you put your tens in, there are 4 tens. 4 tens is the same as 40, right? 4 tens in there. Don't mind my messy writing. And the number of ones we have is 7. That's right. Okay. So we've got 40 here and 7. So if you think of this in terms of a number bond, 40 plus 7 equals 47, or 47 take away 40 is 7, or same thing on the flip side. If we did 47 take away 7, we would get 40, right? So let's jump to, since we did just talk about the number sentence, let's jump to the number sentence up here. So if we are going to write an addition problem, we have to put 2 numbers together with 2 parts and 1 whole. We know what our whole is. Our whole is 47, right? And then 1 part is our tens, which is 40. And our other part is going to be our ones, and it's 40 plus 7 equals 47. So let's jump to this one as well. The place value chart, we can see our tens and our ones. It should be pretty easy to figure out how many tens and how many ones there are, because we kind of figured it out right up here, you know? So if we put it in here, we've got 4 tens. And remember, we don't have 40 tens, we have 4 tens, right? There's a 4 in the tens place, and we have 7 ones. Right? Now, the fun part is the quick drawing, okay? So when we're drawing a 10, we're going to want to make it look like a 10 stick, just like those blue place value 10 sticks and our blue units cubes. Okay, so we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, and then we've got 7 ones. And remember, when we're drawing our ones, we want to make it look like a 10 frame, okay? But we've only got 7, so we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there you go. There we are. Okay, let's erase this. Let's do another one and see how we can do. Okay, here's our next example. So here's 95, okay? So you should have this in your notebook. So you've got 95 in here. You're going to fill in the number of tens here, right? And then in the second part, you're going to fill in your ones. So we've got 90 in one part, right? And we've got how many ones? 5 ones, right? Pretty easy. 90 plus 5 is 95, right? And we've got all of our tens in one spot, all of our ones in the other spot. So why don't we jump down here? We can do the same thing. Except we don't have 90 tens. We've got 9 tens. And over here, we've got 5 ones, right? And then here, we've got 90 plus 5. And 90 plus 5 equals 95. All right, I'm going to let you do the quick 10 drawing yourself, and we can check it in the next video. After you've done that, I want you to go on to this next problem, okay? And the next problem is